SociCake Agency is a full-blown done-for-you social media, content marketing and traffic agency. This is perfect for anyone wanting to make some serious money helping influencers or local businesses with simple marketing strategies. It's also perfect if you're into local marketing, or if you work with clients as an agency, or wanting to create an agency. Social media is growing so fast that it has become an essential part of any business's marketing plan. But businesses have no clue how to tackle social media and they need help. And they're willing to pay big money for that help, especially for help with Facebook marketing. This is where the SociCake Agency Kit comes in. Stunning marketing. It provides you with stunning marketing material to get you a lot of clients quickly and effortlessly. New level business. It will help you to take your business brand to a whole new level. Extremely professional. All of your material will look extremely professional and polished, making it easy for prospects to trust you. Here are just some of the things you're getting. DFY killer PowerPoint presentation and proposal. Presentation matters in a consulting business. Just present this persuasive PowerPoint presentation to your prospect and watch them beg you to take their money, loaded with professionally designed infographics and statistics specifically crafted to convince your prospect why they Facebook ads and why they should choose you to do it for them right now. 2 out of every 5 prospect that sees this presentation writes us a check. Riyadh-made social media agency website. You'll be bagging clients in no time with your professionally designed agency website. Your website already filled with all the content you need, specifically designed to turn leads into clients. Print-ready commercial graphics template. I have created a set of fully editable graphics templates for you to get your name out there as professionally as possible. Gorgeous and high-quality designs in which our personal graphic designers have created for you. In a few clicks, you can edit these to your own heart's desire, so you'll never need to hire an expensive designer again. They include letterhead, business card, invoice, brochure, ready-to-mail email series. I am giving you a professionally written ready-to-mail email sequence for your new social media agency niche. Simply copy and paste this created-to-convert email sequence into your favorite autoresponder service provider to deliver to any on-the-fence leads or cold leads you've collected. Done for you legal contract. Personally, I find it necessary to have something written about the terms and requirements of each assignment that I accept. With written document, even if it is an email, the client and I both have something that we can refer back to if there is a question about my work or payment. You will get a sample social media consulting contract you can customize and use. Ask a lawyer how much it will cost to get this legal document done for you. But you are getting it for free as an early bird bonus. For done-for-you agency Facebook ads. You can run Facebook ads targeted at other businesses and get Facebook and social media marketing clients that will pay to create messenger bots for them. Help them with ads and manage their Facebook pages. Pimp to sell telemarketing scripts. We are also giving you 3 designed to hypnotize, complete telemarketing scripts specifically designed for 3 different sales scenarios, both in person and over the phone. Use these step-by-step scripts in either scenario to ensure your prospects only say yes to your services and pay you more for your professional services. These will effectively warm up your prospects for your services for a final discussion about pricing and method of delivery and convince them to hand over their money. Of course, you are also covered by a rock-solid, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied at any time during the first 30 days after your purchase, just open a support ticket, tell us you want a refund, and that's it. We won't ask why, and we won't try to trick you into changing your mind. No questions asked means no questions asked.